Hello everyone, I am back with a new video. In this video, I will talk about how to block Paytm or GPay if phone is stolen. Before this, if you are a new friend of our channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the notification button to get all notifications of my channel. So guys, don't skip away and watch this video till the end. How to block Paytm or GPay if phone is stolen? Be alert. Ever wondered what would happen if your mobile phone was stolen? If you lost your phone, you can delete or block your digital account while sitting away from Android phone. How to remove lost Android phone GPay account? You can take the help of customer care. Dial 1-800-4190-157 on the phone. Then select the other issues options. You can then talk to customer care agent specialist. He will guide you through how to block our Google account. Ask to verify the mobile number of the registered Google account. How to remove lost Android phone Paytm account? Dial Paytm Payments Bank Helpline number 01204456 Then go to Lost Phone Options. Then enter the lost mobile number and select Block Paytm account option. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get all notifications of my channel. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment this video. Good luck guys. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe.